You know, in any bath renovation, plumbing fixtures are the first things people want to change. They can date a bathroom as quickly as, well, as that old green tub. The Normans came up with a creative way to work with their tub, but you may not be so lucky with things like a lavatory faucet, so you'll be making decisions about new ones. Now, even if style is the main reason for making a change, don't let it be the only factor you consider when you head to the Home Depot. Of course, you want a fixture that's well made so it'll last, but in this day and age, you also need to consider water efficiency, and here's a great example of that. This faucet from Delta is part of the new Lahara collection, and besides its cool casual styling, it has another important feature. This is the first faucet from Delta to receive the Water Sense certification from the EPA. That's like the water equivalent of the Energy Star designation. That means this faucet, which delivers 1.5 gallons per minute, is about 30% more efficient than standard faucets, which use about 2.2 gallons per minute. Plus, the integrated aerator in this faucet ensures that you won't sacrifice performance to conserve water. So, if a bath renovation is in your plans, be sure to think about function as well as form when choosing plumbing fixtures.